fund.
Sir, 35 to 40%, you mean?
Yes, 35 to
Ang cost.
40. So sabihin na lang natin na average, sabihin na lang natin 25 to 40. So average na lang is 30 ang kinuha. Kasama na dyan yung, kukunin pa dyan yung VAT at yung insurance. So VAT is 7%. Tapos yung bond or insurance bond, pa yan 1%. So 8% na yan, 38% na. Kukunin pa nung implementing agency around 12%, 10 to 12%. Usually yan, nagre-range yan ng 10 to 15% yung implementing agency. So that is the DPWH. So 12% na lang, average. So nakita nyo na siguro, 38 plus 12, that's already
50.
50. 3%.
Plus
3% contingency fund. May contingency fund yan na 3% pa. Tapos may 2% pa yan na kalimutan ko na lang. So around 55% na natanggal. So ang naiwan na lang is 45%. Doon sa 45%, hindi pa factored in dyan yung profit ng contractor. Assuming na ang contractor may sense of nationalism or patriotism, kukuha lang siya ng 10%. Yung 10% na yan, hindi niya makukuha kagad, hindi niya ma-realize yung profit na yan. Because that will be the retention. So ibig sabihin, kung kinuha niya pa 45, kinuha niya yung 10% to 35% na lang naiwan for the project, actual cost na gagamitin niya. Actual fund pala for the project. Pero 10% nakukuha niya after 1 year. So most probably, kukuha pa siya dun sa 35%. Assuming nakukuha pa siya ng 35%. Ng 5% sa 35%. Naiwan na lang 30%. So in short, yun na lang naiwan sa project. 30% out of the 100%.